In this video, I'm going to walk you through a basic on how to fund Exness account. So I just created this account and I run the verification process. And when I first started making account verification, I don't know that Exness do not support recording the screen. So that doesn't work perfectly for me, and I'm not sure if I will be uploading that video to this channel. But then in this video, I'm just going to give you a basic idea on how to fund Exness account. So you can see right here, I've verified the account and everything is actually working perfectly. So for you to be able to fund your Exness account, you just have to click on deposit after logging in your account. So once you click on deposit right here, then you can see choose payment method. You can see crypto wallet. So I not connect any crypto wallet to this account, and you can see all payment method. You can click on all payment method right here. It's gonna show all the available payment methods to me. You can see online banks, processing time is within 30 minutes, it's zero fee. Bank card, you can use bank card, you can use Bitcoin, you can use Neteller, you can use online bank transfer with the limit of $10 to $150 there's a limit on that. And for online bank transfer, $10 to $700 and pay with bank $10 to $600 with perfect money from $10 to $100,000, and for Skrill $10 to $100,000, and stick pay $10 to $10,000, and for USDT you can see $10 to $10 million, and USDT2 which is TRC20, you can see the limit. You can see USD coin as well, you can see the limit also. So it all depends on how you would like to fund your account. So basically this is the one they actually recommend. You can see recommend all payment method. So if you click on this one right here, you can see it's gonna take me to the next page. You can see online bank transfer to account. So this is my account ID, and I'm gonna enter the amount in Naira. You can see let me input a Naira amount. So let's say 50,000 Naira for example. So you can see this 50,000 Naira. So then I'm gonna be getting $39.25 in USD. That is the equivalent in Naira to 50,000 Naira. I think the rate is around 1,273, I think, something like that, or maybe that's just a normal distance. Then you can deposit up to $3,000 USD. To increase the limit, you have to verify your profile. So I think there are some other things that I have to verify. So if I click on continue right here, you can also scroll down to see the terms and conditions. So if I click on continue right here, you can see it takes me to this page right here. So you can see online bank transfer, no commission fee, conversion rate, USD 1,273 Naira, like I said earlier on. You can see that's the current rate, and to the account, and then to be deposited. So you can see this is an indicative amount. You may receive slightly more or less due to fluctuation in the currency conversion rate, which is actually possible. So it will depend on how the dollar is actually going up or down. So it depends. So if I click on confirm now, it's gonna show a processing page for me. So you can see in few seconds you will be able to redirect to complete your payment. So you can see pay with bank transfer. So you can see how would you like to pay with bank transfer. So if I click on this pay with bank transfer right now, you can see pay 50,000 Naira before you make this payment. So you have to transfer only exact amount. Do not transfer an incorrect amount. Do not save or reuse this account. It can only accept a single transfer. Then this account expire after a fixed time. So if you click on I understand this process, then if you click on continue, it's gonna show you the account to send payment to. So once you see that account, you send the payment to that account, and make sure when you are sending the payment to that account you provided, make sure you are sending the payment from your own personal account that carried your name, your own personal account that the name is on your, or the account is on your name, so that there won't be an issue. And if anything happen, you will be able to trace that payment, and you'll be able to provide all the details they requested for when they actually requested for that details on the payments you made. So you have to be very vigilant and very careful when you are trying to send a payment on Exness or fund your Exness account.